Welcome to another landscape photography vlog. As you can see, it's a heavy snowfall and I'm out into the mountains and I'm trying to capture these moments when the snow is basically falling down. So this vlog is gonna be also about capturing stills, but also capturing video with the moving flakes in the air. That is the reason for which I came here. I won't be able to rise the drone because I'm afraid if something bad would happen, but you will see footage and you will see photos. And what I need to be extra careful right now, it's exposed properly, not to get the snow in the way of getting a great image. And that is because usually snow images are underexposed or tend to be underexposed. And another thing is that my focus to be on the subject, not on the falling snow, and this will not be that hard. I will also use live view if necessary, but let's kick in. It's a great day to be a landscape photographer, and the heavy snow amplifies this. These were the first images, video and still. I told you today it's a special day when I'm also doing video as a visual element, because it's such a lovely day and rarely you capture the snow falling down on such a beautiful landscape. So it's time to move on, time to search for another place where to shoot, and once we get there you'll see it. I'm using my crampons now because I'm going to shoot some waterfalls, and with all the snow and ice I don't want to risk anything, so I'll also take the gloves off not to get them wet. I have to be extra careful when putting these, not to have the chain on top of a steel tooth because it will break the chain. That area we just passed, it's really dangerous, and without the crampons I'm a little bit scared to cross it because you don't know if under the snow there is ice, and if you fall from there I'm pretty sure you won't be whole again. Now we're getting into the forest. It's not a long hike until we reach the waterfalls, and they are looking spectacular. So I can't wait to reach the waterfalls and start shooting. We arrived at the waterfalls. It's absolutely spectacular. So let's start photographing and let's start recording some video and to capture the snowflakes. This was it for the vlog from today, and I hope you like the visuals, I hope you like the photos. Now it's time for me to go back home, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new here. Click the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and if you are already subscribed, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting and supporting, and until next time, keep on photographing. It's the only way you can get better. Bye bye.